Introducing IRONIQ, the next-gen vacuum steamer. The secret to faster, cleaner ironing lies in its powerful 2,500 Pascal absorptive suction. Only from IRONIQ, instead of merely drawing in air, it steadies and smooths your garment, letting you iron effortlessly with one hand, free from any risk of scorching. Say goodbye to wrinkles that won't budge, no matter how much you iron. With true vacuum technology, enjoy perfectly smooth, professional results on every garment. With 1,500 watts of ultra-powerful steam, IRONIQ penetrates even the thickest fibers, making professional-level ironing of jackets and coats effortless at home. Perfect steam in just 30 seconds. IRONIQ's 5 precision nozzles ensure fast, wide, and flawless ironing every time. IRONIQ's 2-in-1 design lets you iron upright or flat, offering effortless, flexible styling exactly the way you want. Fully featured, IRONIQ maintains optimal filter performance through its integrated self-cleaning mode, and its compact size makes it easy to take anywhere. Treat your garments with advanced technology, portable, effortless, and flawless. IRONIQ, all-in-one garment care solution.